It's your girl Day Day, all day you lie. So if you're here because you bought a waist beads from me and you need to know how to resize them, or maybe you just searching on YouTube and stumbled upon this video because you need a tutorial on how to resize African waist beads that has screws, the ones you screw on, you're in the right spot. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. All right, let's get into adjusting this waist beads. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this shirt up. All right, the first thing I want you guys to take note of is that the waist beads that I sell, at least, they have two gold ends to them, one short, one long. We're gonna focus on the short side because it'll be easier to adjust it from this side and this side. It's harder to tie the knot on the longer side. So what you want to do first is determine where you want your waist beads. I kind of want this right here. So you determine where you want it and give yourself a little wiggle room. And I want it right here, so I'm going to use my finger to mark where I want it. So I'll switch hands, keeping the same marking. Otherwise your waist beads will be off and you need to adjust. So remember what I said about the short side. So this is the side where you will grab and cut right below the clasp area. You cut it, you can hold on to it. So I have it right here. You hold on to it and you can get rid of or repurpose the excess beads. So we get rid of all of this from where my finger is to where it ends. So you can repurpose this or you can trash them. I might repurpose them. So I'm gonna put them right here. I'm putting them right to the side. All right, now we have all the strings left. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and thread the string through the hole of the clamps, right? You thread it through and we're gonna tie a knot. What you do is you tie a regular knot, you loop it around and thread the excess string through. You thread it through like that. You're gonna do your best to get the knot close to the gold clamps as possible. So here's where mine ended. So not bad. So you're gonna do it again. I like to tie 2 or 3 knots so to make sure it's secure. So all you're doing is wrapping it, looping the strings around and threading the excess string through, right? You do that like that and you push it down again. I'll go ahead and push the gold thing forward towards the knot so I can make sure it's tight and secure. Once you do that, the next step is very important. You cut the excess string off. You want to cut it close as possible. Cut it off like that. And boom. I cut it too short, but I can put it right here. Did I cut it short or this is where I measure it. So I did it good. Put the waist beads right on. And you screw it on and boom, you have your waist beads. Okay, so I use this for weight management, so I wanted this a little bit snug. I do have wiggle room, but not too much, not as much as this one. So there we go.